Welcome to the marsh life. First, we'll be learning about the lower intertidal zone. Exposed to only a little bit of sunlight every day, this zone is mostly submerged. This organism is called the mud snail, or Nassarius. They live on mud flats or sand flats. They feed on dead organisms and decaying organic matter. They burrow into marine substrates and wait to come out until they smell food. As you can see, they're small in size and are only exposed to sunlight during low tides. The mid-intertidal zone. Organisms in this zone experience closer to equal levels of daylight and water cover during the day. Organisms closer to the sea experience higher risk of predation, and organisms closer to land experience higher risk of being dried out by sunlight. Our first organism is called saltwater cordgrass, or Spartina alterniflora. It can grow up to 9 feet tall, but in smaller forms can only reach up to 2 to 3 feet tall. Its successful adaptations can enable it to live where other plants can't. Our next organism is called the common glasswort, or Salicornia. The common glasswort is highly edible by humans and animals. There are over 60 different species of Salicornia. It is used as a biofuel in areas that cannot grow other crops such as corn. And Croatians put it in their salads. Our next organism is called the ribbed mussel, or Modiolus. It has ribbed lines on the surface of its shell. They attach themselves to the ground and/or salt marsh grass by using their rough byssal threads. When covered by the tide, the mussels open slightly, and cilia, small hairs on the gills, draw in water and food, usually algae, to its mouth. Our next organism is called the saltmarsh snail, or Melampus. The saltmarsh snail eats the dead ends of cordgrass and lives in that same place. It inhabits the mid-intertidal zones of salt marshes. It is native to the coast of Nova Scotia all the way down to Texas, so the entire east coast of the United States. As you can see, it's quite tiny, so it's difficult to find, but they're common among saltmarsh cordgrasses. The next organism is called the fiddler crab, or Usa. It's a land crab that lives in mud or sand flats. Males have one giant claw and another small claw, and females have 2 smaller claws. The male's giant claw is used to attract females during the mating process. Fiddler crabs eat small, microscopic organisms as well as dead and decaying matter from the mud. They excrete this waste and form mounds of mud outside of the holes in which they live. Our next organism is called common reedgrass, or Phragmites. This species is found in tropical and temperate locations all over the world. It is invasive to Connecticut and most of North America. It forms reed beds and can grow up to 15 feet tall or 4 to 5 inches in width. It is invasive to Connecticut in that no animal in the salt marsh is adapted to eat it. Welcome to the upper intertidal zone. In this zone, organisms are exposed to sunlight for almost the entire day, only being submerged during spring tides. One organism that can be found in this zone is called salt meadow cordgrass, or Spartina patens. Found in high marsh zones, they serve as pollutant filters and buffers against erosion and storms. Standing erect or matted to the ground, this grass grows from 1 to 4 feet long and is found in the mid to upper intertidal zones.
that's cool. Alright, Brooke's stuck. Try to get out.
I can't move!
Come on, go the other way.
I'm trying!
Pull your foot out or else you're gonna die.
Come on.
Ew, it's mine!
Oh, yo, it's gonna touch your pants. You better pick up your leg.
Help! Robbie, get in here!
How are you supposed to help?
My journal.
Robbie,
Rob, you're such a...
Hold on. I got
I
you're
gotta
the
say.
male in this situation. Mr. Ludwig, this isn't
Yeah, Brooke, I don't know how you're gonna get out.
thanks. Thank you, guys.
Let me roll up my pants.
There you go. You're out. You're fine.
No, but this other...
Pull it up.
My pants are ruined.
Your pants? What about me?
I'm the cameraman.
Oh.
You're fine. You're gonna get muddy, Rob.
Wait, are you getting all this?
Yeah, I'm getting all of
Okay,
this.
well this...
Your leg out.
I can't, I need...
Oh my god. Brooke, you're not dirty at all. Don't
My
worry.
pants continue to...
You're not dirty at all. Alright. Oh, you smell. Fuck.